In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Stay Together for the Kids by Blink-182 off of their album Take Off Your Pants and Jacket. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Blink-182 was your favorite pop punk band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at that intro riff. So I'll play through the intro riff one time slow here. So we're gonna start 5th fret, 5th string, alternating with the open 4th string, which is the same note. Then we go 7th fret, 4th string, open 4th string, then 5th fret, 5th string, so we have this so far. Then 4th fret, 4th string, open 4th string. So that little section here, that first section is this. Okay, then we're on to the next little section here. That next section is going to be 4th fret, 5th string, kind of the same pattern here, so alternating with open 4th string, back up to 7th fret, 4th string, open 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string, so this so far. Then from here, what you're going to do is lay your index finger flat so you can play 4th fret, 4th string, and then 4th fret, 5th string. So that little segment. Okay, and then on to the next little section. The next section is 2nd fret, 5th string, still alternating with the open 4th. Now we're going to go 4th fret, 4th string with the ring finger to open 4th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, then to 5th fret, 4th string. So this so far. Then open 4th string, and we're done with that little section. So that section. And then the last little section there will be open 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, back to open 5th string. Then we do this little run here where we go 4th fret, 4th string, up to 5th fret, down to 4th fret, 2nd fret, and open. So that little section. So let's play that entire intro riff slow. So the whole intro riff here. And then it repeats. And then we're into the verse. So the first note of the verse is going to be this D power chord. That's 5th fret, 5th string. But instead of just strumming the whole chord, what we're going to do is we're going to alternate the root note with the other two notes. So it'll sound like this. So we do two hits first, and then the other notes, and then 3 hits. Okay, so one more time, there's 2 hits, then the other notes, then 3 hits. For the next chord, we're going to keep the pinky and the ring finger where they are, and we're going to reach across to the 7th fret with the middle finger. So we're going from this chord to this chord. So now we have 7th fret, 6th string, and then ring finger is still on 7th fret 4th, pinky still on 7th fret 3rd. And we do the same right hand pattern. Okay, and then the next chord, 5th fret 6th string this time, keep the ring finger and the pinky where they are. Same pattern. Now at this point what we're going to do is reach the pinky up to the 9th fret of the 3rd string. You keep the other fingers where they are. Same pattern. And then middle finger to the 6th fret of the 3rd string. Other fingers stay where they are. So altogether that verse pattern is this. Repeat. At this point, we kick into the chorus, and the chorus is just alternating this G power chord, 3rd fret 6th string and 5th fret 5th string. It's just a 2-note power chord here. Straight 8th notes with the right hand. And then down to 2nd fret 6th string, keep the pinky where it is. And then we're going to come back up to this power chord, but what we're going to do is come into it by going open, 2nd, 3rd. So altogether that's this. Okay, and obviously we've turned the distortion on at this point, and we'll repeat that several times. So we'll repeat that a total of 4 times. And then coming out of the chorus, we kick back into the intro riff. And then we'll play another verse and another chorus exactly the same as the first. Then we enter a bridge section, and in the bridge is just bass and piano. So coming out of that bridge, the guitar will play the chorus riff. We'll play through it twice. Now right here, the vocals will kick in and will officially be in the last chorus. The guitar will keep playing the same part. continue playing this part until the end of the song. Was Take Off Your Pants and Jacket the best Blink-182 album? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.